Hi, everyone. Good day and welcome to the session. Our topic for today is about digital badges and basically its role in micro credentialing. So, I titled my presentation about digital badges, revolutionizing how we acknowledge skills and accomplishments. So, by the way, I'm Jade. I'm a faculty here at the Dr. Mariano Silao Global Studies Center here at Silliman University. So our this will be our expected outcomes for this session. So we have four: understanding of digital badges, you have knowledge of earning digital badges, awareness of digital badge issuers, and also insight into the popularity of digital badges. So understanding because attendees will be able to clearly define what a digital badge is and understand its components and how it differs from traditional certificates and awards. So, knowledge of earning digital badges, attendees will understand the process of earning digital badges, including the criteria, the steps involved, and examples of learning pathways that lead to badge acquisition. So another one is awareness of digital badge issuers. So attendees will identify various types of organizations that award digital badges, including educational institutions, professional organizations, and employers. And lastly, insight into the popularity of digital badge. So attendees will comprehend why digital badges are trending, recognizing the benefits for learners, educators, institutions, and employers, as well as the role of technological advancements and global standardization efforts. Okay, so first we have to start. We have to ask ourselves, what is what is all of this? What is a digital badge, right? So if especially during the pandemic time, there's been a lot of webinars, a lot of workshops done online, a lot of seminars done online. So most of us, if not all, receive this kind of document. So what we have here is just a classic example of what a digital certificate is, right? So what you have there, you have your name, you have um, the webinar, the date of the webinar, and the giving institution or the institution that gives you this particular certificate. So what's the connection between a digital certificate and a digital badge? So let's see, right? So what we have here is a credentialing ecosystem, right? So digital badges represent a subset of the broader category of digital credentials, which is this one, which are transforming how achievements and skills are recognized in today's digital world. So while digital badges are widely known for their portability and verifiability, they're just one piece of a much larger credentialing ecosystem. The credentialing ecosystem includes various forms of digital recognition, such as certificates, micro credentials, and diplomas, each serving unique purposes, right? So, digital badges specifically excel at showcasing individual achievements such as completing a course, mastering a skill, or contributing to a project. However, other types of digital credentials might be used for a broader or more formal accomplishments, like, for example, earning a degree or an industry certification. A digital badge stands out because it functions as both a recognition of learning or achievement and digital proof of that accomplishment. So the badge encapsulates metadata that verifies the authenticity of the credential, detailing the awarding organization, the criteria for earning it, and even the evidence of the skill or the achievement. This dual role, recognition and proof, makes badges a powerful tool in education, professional development, and beyond. So the variety within the credentialing ecosystem highlights the adaptability of digital recognition methods to meet different needs. So, like for example, certificates, right? Certificates might provide a more formal acknowledgement of completion. Also, micro credentials, which allows for focused, skill-specific recognition, and for digital badges, emphasize shareability and granularity in showcasing unique competencies. So, together, basically, these credentials create a layered approach to validating achievements in a way that meets the diverse requirements of learners, professionals, and organizations alike. Okay, so now we will talk about a digital badge. So what really is a digital badge? So what you have here are just examples of a digital badge, right? So this one is from I got this one from Coursera, which is a course which is offered by Google through Coursera, and another one. This one is from SAS, so SAS Via. Okay, so a digital badge is more than just a usually because we associate digital badge with the graphic or the icon, right? But digital badges is more than just a graphic or an icon. So it serves as a tangible representation of an individual's competencies, achievements, and skills. So these badges are designed to be easily shareable and verifiable, ensuring that they are both practical and trustworthy, right? So each digital badge typically includes key data or as we call it, metadata, such as the badge earner's name, the issuing organization, and the criteria or requirements met to earn the badge. So this ensures that anyone viewing the badge can quickly understand what it represents and how it was obtained.